it from GF USA Guitars and Basses, and that's the first of my ergonomic basses with the jazz bass neck. That it's genuine GF jazz bass neck, but it's thinner. Like Fender is making jazz bass thinner necks, precision are thicker for the rock. So this one, it's thinner and feels great. It's ergonomic. It has a special setup for the truss rod. It has a ergonomic tuning pegs, Gurkha tuning pegs. It has a Gurkha bridge. Pickups are GF genuine pickups. Neck is genuine GF neck. Body is genuine GF body. And electronics is that I call it a three-way electronics, because you can three-way in the one system. What you can do, you can set up three different systems, three different setups, not systems, three different setups in one system. Here is 5 controls, and those 5 controls, basically we have a 4 potentiometers with a dent in the middle. So I am using like starting point on those potentiometers in the middle where is that dent, and when we are turning it on or closing down that potentiometer from the center position, it has a different functions. Not totally different functions, but it has a function like 2 potentiometers. So you can choose which function of that potentiometer you want. And here is the one switch. It has three-way like lever switch. So you can set up with those 3 different positions, 3 different configurations of those pickups. And this is what I like to talk today about, that switch which has a 3 position, and those 3 positions, they are setting up different configurations of those pickups. So the easiest position, let me start with that position in the middle. It's a bypass position, and the neck pickup, this one, is going to the left channel, to the neck channel, without any controls. It's a bypass, and from my side, right pickup close to the bridge is going to the second channel without any controls, any pickups. So when you flip that switch in the middle, you get full power of those two pickups, left neck, right bridge, going to left channel, right channel. You can call it stereo. You can play it in stereo too. It sounds really good. I really like it. A lot of people say no, they want to record in the mono position, but that stereo position is awesome, because you will have a neck sound of the pickup on the left channel. You can still mix it on the mixing board, and the right channel will take that pickup closer to the bridge position, and I will show you the different sounds. So this is the position in the middle. Let me play it for you a little bit. I am in the middle position, so you should hear much more neck pickup in the one channel, say left, and bridge pickup in the right channel, say right. It depends on the speakers. How do you set it up? So we are in the bypass mode. Any metallic, any piece of the metal. So I can show you right now. When I am playing, you probably don't hear it too much because both pickups, they have the same source of the signal, me playing. But I will use the metal and I will knock on the magnets of those pickups, and we should have, when I knock, most of the signal should be in your, I set it up to left position, in the left speakers, left side. Now I am knocking on bridge pickup, and you should have a signal in the opposite position, say right headphones position or right speaker, left, right. And you can hear, probably you can also hear that the sound of that neck pickup, it's bright frequency sound. I created that pickup, I designed that pickup so it takes all the frequencies, like it has a sound like really nice single coil sound of the jazz bass. That right pickup on my side has less low and less high frequencies, and it has that middle tone notch up. So middle frequencies, they have that bump. They are a little bit louder. So I hope that we can hear it. That switch position, none of those control knobs are working because it's bypass. So the signal, it's coming to your bass amp straight in the full power. Now we have a two more position. I don't know how you want to call it, A, B, C. So let's say that B position is that middle position with a bypass. Be like a bypass, yes. Position 8. Those two knobs on the top, they are active right now. When I'm saying active, it doesn't mean that they have active electronics in. They are functional right now. That knob has two volumes for controlling the neck pickup. This knob right here, what I'm showing right now, has two volumes controlling bridge pickup. So let me start with the bridge pickup. In the middle, like I said, in the middle of those control knob, you can feel like a notch, like the center position. So in the center, we don't have any sound. No sound now. So I'll set up those two control knobs to volume. So you are controlling volume, and one volume, it's dry without any tone modification, and another volume, it's cutting the high frequencies. So you have in one knob two functions: volume and basically tone knob. Clean sound, just bridge pickup. This was clean sound. I'm cutting it off with the volume, and I am adding volume of that pickup with cutting high frequencies. Clean. High frequency cut. So basically, with the one knob, I am controlling bridge pickup, and that another control knob controls the neck pickup. Same way, when I am turning it all the way up, the volume for that neck is in the full power. So what I can do, I can add to that volume full power of the bridge pickup too. So right now I have those two knobs turned on all the way up. So now I have two dry volumes, set up the maximum, and I will switch that neck volume with the high frequency cut. So the neck pickup is a full power, all frequency, and a bridge pickup is full power with a high frequency cutoff. So I was just playing the neck pickup on the full power with all frequencies, and I was switching from the wet and dry position on that bridge pickup. So I leave that bridge pickup in the maximum power dry position, and now I'll cut it off and I will explain you that neck pickup. So that neck pickup, the volume, bridge is off, neck is off, volumes, no sound. All the way up, clean sound, dry sound for the neck pickup. Cut off. Now I am shifting polarity of that neck pickup, and with the polarity shift I compare, basically I send a polarity shift signal from that neck pickup to the clean or varied sound of the bridge pickup. So right now I'll show you just differences between only the neck. Now I will add to that, you could hear the differences. Now I will add the bridge pickup in the full power, dry in polarity, and the neck pickup is full power, dry in polarity. I am shifting frequency, and I am adding the neck pickup with a shifted volume to the signal of the bridge pickup. I can go to maximum. I don't like to go into maximum, but it shows you where are the limits. So you can pick up just positioning that control knob, that varied volume of the neck pickup to any position with dry bridge or very bridge pickup sound. turning from the left to the right, that volume on the neck pickup. So basically, in that position A, you control separately bridge and the neck pickups, and you can of course mix them together. In that B position, let me do it. Let's set up some sound, and I will use them for the full power. Neck and bridge in polarity, without the shifting, without the frequency cut. And now I'm switching to the position B bypass. You see how easy is it? To switch from two different sounds. Now I am making a little bit distinctive sound, so you will hear it better. So you have a really lot of options of the sound you can set up here, and you just do that. You just switch it. So let's go back to last position, C. So C position configures those two pickups as a humbucker pickup. It's set up in the series as a humbucker, and you are controlling with the two knobs that one humbucker pickup with the two coils. So that's that position C. This knob is the volume. Let me put this one in the middle. So that's your humbucker sound. With the volume, you control volume for the both pickups. Both pickups are active all the time. Maximum volume is in the middle, in the notch of that potentiometer. When you turn it from the middle position all the way up, the volume stays on the maximum, but we are cutting off those unwanted crunchy frequencies, those harmonic frequencies. We'll just a little bit cut it off, so it has that nicer mellow sound without the cut, okay, in the middle. With cut. And this is regular tone knob, but it's GF three-way tone knob. So when we are in the middle, it's a natural sound. We are not varying the tone of that pickup of that humbucker setup anyway. And I will leave it that volume in the middle, so it's not varying it either. It's full volume, full power of two coils, and tone is in the middle, and I will change the tone. When you turn it on, it has a less low frequencies. When you cut it off, it has a less high frequencies. So right now it's in the middle, volume on the full power. Of course, you don't have to turn it all the way up. You can choose the position, how much of the low frequency cut, how big the cut's supposed to be. So we have that's really cool right now. We have a cut over low frequencies, and we want to cut even that high frequency off. So we want to have only middle frequencies. So you just turn that volume knob all the way up, and we have two cuts. We have a low frequency cut and high frequency cut. Without a high frequency cut. With high frequency cut. I'll go in the middle. I'll go in the middle on the tone knob. So now we have a clean humbucker sound. And you want to get a high frequency cut, so you can do it on the tone knob too. So I cut high frequency now. Without cut. With high cut. Low frequency cut a little bit. I am not going to maximum to the maximum levels because it's too much for me. So you can basically choose how much of that high frequency you want to cut. You can choose on every potentiometer. It's variable control. How much you want to cut. I cut it just a little bit. Low frequencies off. And I don't like still that high pitch sound of the high frequencies, so I cut it on that volume knob. So we have one sound set up on those two knobs. Now I am switching to bypass. And now I am switching to those two controls separately. You have three different setups. You can preset it any way you want, and you just switch that switch into the three different positions. I think it's cool. I never saw it anywhere. It's my innovation, and I think it's cool, that preset. Of course, I can get 4-position switch, more knobs, and I can have a 4-position switch. I can have a 4-position preset, but I think 3-position is plenty. So let me just get clean sound right here. We have a bypass, and what we do here, jazz bass. No, a little bit Jaco. A little bit Jaco Pastorius. next time, I hope I have some new innovations done really soon. So this is just bass neck, ergonomic neck. It's probably the best bass I ever made. I really like that one, and I am used to the jazz bass necks, those thinner necks. This is thinner neck than precision. Those precision necks, they are too thick for me, so I really like it.